I have spoilers for the BOXYCHARM by Ipsy January 2024 box. It is $30 per month. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. It's the new year. Can't believe it either, which means it's the perfect time to relax, recharge, and get ready to take on whatever comes your way. The best way to do that, January's BOXYCHARM spoilers, duh! From nourishing skincare to clean beauty to essential shadow palettes. They're starting your year off with everything you need to glow inside and out. Keep listening for a sneak peek at some of the revitalizing beauty that you have to look forward to this month. Some of the items that you could get in this month's box are the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen SPF 50, Ren Clean Skincare Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream, Ofra Cosmetics Signature Luxe Palette, Lice Beauty Lash Confidence Mascara, Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer, Kapari Niacinamide, and Caffeine Eye Bright Cream. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.